This is an emergency alert to the entirety of the United States of America. At 3:57 a.m. Eastern Time, the moon mutated into a hazardous anomaly. Any direct sight of the moon will result in the observer bowing down and succumbing to the effects of the moon. If a family member is seen observing the moon, remove them from all contact with the outside. Follow all instructions given to you at this time. Cover all windows and viewpoints to the outdoors.
It is very disgusting.
Lock all entry points to your home. Most importantly, do not believe anyone who commands you to look outside. If a human tells you to look at the moon, they are already lost.